Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and we try to improve our game using various different GTO solutions. Lately we've been trying out the GTO Wizard, we've been doing some drills, and I think for today we're gonna do 29 hands of mastering the button spot just so that we can get to 100 hands like we did with the other spots, and then we're gonna try and think of another spot to choose for our next drill, and I think we're gonna do a short stack spot just to see if our game there is tight. So let's do 29 hands of mastering the button. Okay, 14 bigs, under the gun opens, we've got king, queen off, we're shoving, and we should just be calling it here. Okay, 5-3 is a fold, queen 3 is a fold, 9-6 is a fold, queen jack versus open under the gun, it's gonna be a call. Oh, so we don't play a full hand here, we just play the single spot. Okay, makes sense. King 4 obviously an open, 3 deuce suited is a fold, king deuce suited is a fold, 5-4 suited is a fold versus an all-in, ace 8 off is a fold, king 3 is a fold, ace 6 off is a fold, 7-3 suited on the button on 14 bigs. I'm opening this and I should rather fold. 9-8 offsuit on 80 bigs is a fold, 6-5 suited on 80 bigs is a call, 8-6 off is a fold, queen 6 off on 60 bigs. I would open it, but it's a marginal open. We should rather fold it. Jack 8 off, we're gonna fold. King 3 suited, we're gonna fold. 9-5 off is a fold. 10-9 off on 35 bigs is a fold. Jack 5 suited is an open. Ace 4 off is a fold versus under the gun open. King 8 suited versus under the gun open on 25 bigs is a fold. But we see it's probably also calling sometimes 68% of the time. Okay. And then how many hands were we supposed to play? I don't remember. But we're gonna fold this one. We're gonna fold king deuce suited offsuit, 9-5 off, king deuce off, and king queen we're gonna call. And I think 30 hands is more than enough, so let's stop this. Yeah, we've got it. So let's check out the short stack now. 9-6 off, we're folding. 10-8 off, we're folding. King deuce off, we're folding versus an open. King 5 suited, we're not calling an all-in from under the gun +1. King 4 off, we're not calling an all-in for sure. 9-5 off is a fold. Queen 9 suited from low jack on 14 bigs. It's gotta be a fold, right? Nope, should be an open. It's actually 50% limp, 50% open. Okay, too tight. 6-5 off is a fold. 9 deuce off is a fold. 3 deuce off on the button is a fold. Ace 8 on the big blind versus a limp. Is that a check or an all-in? I'm gonna check 97% of the time. That's good. On 10-6-4 we're gonna check and we're gonna give it up. Bilan's got pocket queens. 10-7 off, we're folding. Pocket aces, we're calling. Jack 4 deuce on the flop, under the gun checks, we're gonna check behind. 4 of spades on the turn. We're now gonna bet, and we're gonna bet half pot. We get called. 7 of diamonds on the river, and we're shipping the rest of the stack. And we get called by 6s, so that's cool. And on the flop we see here the solver likes betting 5th pot, bet on 65% of the time, and then checking another 31. Jack 6 we're gonna fold. 5 deuce suited, we're folding from the small blind. Queen 4 is a fold. 8-3 suited is a fold. 6-5 off on 15 bigs is a fold. 7-5 suited, fold. Queen 9 off from hijack is a fold. 9 deuce off on the big blind. We're not calling an all-in. Queen 6 off. We're folding versus an all-in. 10-5 off. We're folding as well. King 9 off, fold. Queen 8 off, fold. 9-7 off. We're mostly folding, so not a lot to do. Queen Jack off on 14 bigs. Do we open this? Do we maybe limp? Or do we fold? I'm gonna try something and limp it. Limp fold. And we see pre-flop, it's 42% open, 19% limp, and 40% call, fold. 10-6 off, we're folding. 10-7 off, we're folding because he limped. Ace 9 off, we're not calling an all-in. 7 deuce is gonna be a fold. King queen, we're opening, and we see probably the solvers limping. Big blind checks on 8-7-7, we're gonna bet a 5th. We get raised. Now do we ship it? Do we fold? I'm gonna ship it. And we see the solver is folding. Okay. Ace king off. Gonna open. And call the all-in. And pre-flop solver likes just shoving 69% of the time. 4 deuce off, we're folding. 7-3 off is a fold. 7 deuce suited on 14 bigs. If it falls to us, we're gonna open just to try and steal. We get called though. Ace jack 5 on the flop. We're gonna bet a third. Get called. 6 of hearts on the turn. Gonna go for a check. Goes check check. 10 of hearts on the river. We're shipping it. And the villain folds. But we see we should rather just limp it 100% of the time. King 7 off, we're not calling. Queen 6 off, we're folding. 9-3 suited. We're not calling an all-in. 8-3 off. We're checking behind and folding. And we played 40 hands, so I think that's enough. We've got GTO score of 90%, so that's not bad. And in our next session, we're gonna continue playing the spot. We're gonna try and play probably another 60 hands, just to have 100 hands of this. It goes very quickly, as you can see, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Leave a comment if you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And then I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.